This is a Forest Service road I've driven past countless times, but I've never actually turned up it. I came up here with no plan at all other than to turn off the highway here and just explore. It hasn't taken long for me to discover that every dirt road leading off the main gravel road is gated. I wish more of the gates I encountered had signs like this explaining their presence. After passing by a few more restricted side roads, I finally found an interesting looking trail that has no gate. I have the chainsaw, but this tree is a little too big, and I can see there are more downed trees further up the trail. There is a decent enough spot here to make camp, but I've still got some daylight, and I'd like to explore a little more of this area. Someone has built a fire ring right here, but the road does appear to continue. Alright, that tree is a little more manageable, except there are several more further up the trail. Again, I'm going to see what else I can find. This is a serviceable campsite, so I will keep it in mind, but I'm going to keep looking. I can always come back to this if I don't find anything better. It's hard to tell in the dark, but this is the most appealing campsite I've encountered yet, and I'm gonna settle here for the night. I'm at high elevation here, and I'm tucking my 12-volt electric blanket into my sleeping bag. I will power it with my Jackery Explorer 1500, which will easily run it all night, while also handling other recharging, such as my iPhone rapid charger plugged into one of the AC outlets. Over in the truck, my Jackery Explorer 500 is going to keep my fridge running while I'm at camp tonight. A $4 moving blanket from Harbor Freight makes a warm, cushioned area of the tent where I take my boots off, but can also simply serve as an extra blanket if needed. I'm in between camper setups here and have no awning at all on the truck, but I've backed it up to this tree, which is providing decent protection from the rain over the tailgate area. These are the Pelican cases that were previously mounted on the roof of the Frontier. For this trip, I threw together a basic kitchen in one of them and loaded the other with recovery gear just in case, including my Yankum kinetic recovery rope and soft shackle, gloves, a hitch mount recovery point for the rear, and my tire repair kit. It was fun to get out with the pickup just as a pickup. I'd long wondered what it was like up in here when passing by on my way to other destinations, and I'm happy to have finally checked this area out. For now, it's time to air up and head home.